Egypt said it will include home-isolated patients with COVID-19 into the daily infections count under a new initiative to monitor them and provide hospital transfers if needed. According to Ahram Online, the number of COVID-19 infections may be 10 times the number tracked by the ministry because many coronavirus cases are treated at home and don't appear in the ministry's daily bulletins. Egyptian Health Minister Hala Zayed said that starting January the 6th, medical teams would be designated to visit homes and register patients who are self-isolating and had not been registered under the public health system. She said that 5,400 health units and medical centers nationwide would follow up on their conditions. Egypt is facing the second wave of the coronavirus and has seen a rebound in the number of daily cases. Starting the last day of 2020, the Health Ministry has reported more than 1,000 new cases daily. Experts predict that the second wave of the pandemic will recede in April, and now it is essential for people to adhere strictly to preventative measures.